How to turn off video notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off video notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings, click on it and then click notifications, and here go down again and you will find video. Click on it, and if you want to turn it off, just turn everything off, and it's easy of course. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.